welcome back to Kodemine. So guys, the next topic is our comment and note, right? So the comment is when we want to add or mention anyone into our uh, Google Sheet, right? So how can I do that? Just I need to click on the insert menu and just select the comment and you will get a text box in front of you. You just need to uh, have a look at Google Sheet, and I just need to click on the comment button, right, and my comment will be added into my Google Sheet. So this is a very simple option. And the next option is note. Note is option. For example, I want to add any information regarding any value. So how can we do that, and what is its a use case? For example, my value is here into D13. I will select that value. I will go into the insert, click on the note, and I can add my note here. What? Kodemine is online learning platform. Enjoy education, right? So I just need to add this thing, and what is the beauty of this option is whenever I hover into that value, automatically I can see the information I have added into the note of that particular value. So this is a very important and very useful feature, right? So do practice about comments, try to write down some notes on different values, right? So if you guys have any trouble, any query, any question, just mention into the comment box and we will help you out. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.